Howdy partner, so you want to learn how to install a BokiHuk LED bathroom mirror? Well, you're in luck, we're going to show you today. Today, we're going to show you how to install this LED bathroom mirror made by BokiHuk. So our friends over at BokiHuk sent us this mirror, asked us to do a video on installing it and checking it out, look through the functions. We're going to do that. We are actually installing this mirror inside our 5-year-old's bedroom. So it's going to be a little bit of a makeup vanity mirror, and I'll show you how that works. It plugs into the wall and everything else. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by cutting this open, unboxing it, seeing how it's packaged. It seems to come in one piece, and we'll walk you through the steps. Stay tuned. This package came in just a couple days ago, and it appears to be very well packaged. It came in another actually outer box. It's got hard cardboard and then the actual mirror. This mirror I believe is a 24 by 40. We'll go ahead and link it in the description box, so if you want to check it out, you can check it out from that link. And we will continue to open this up. It's got nice hard packaging, and then it's pre-fitted with the power plug, mounting hardware, as well as instructions. And it even looks like it has, oh yes, that's very interesting. It has white glove service. Wow. So we can install it without smudging it. That is really VIP. All right, let's go ahead and get this all taken out. I'll read the instructions and we'll get it mounted. So first impressions of this mirror are, it looks like a pretty good build quality. It's got an aluminum welded frame around the entire side, or some sort of metal. And then it has your power cord here that plugs into a standard outlet, but there also is instructions on how to hardwire it. And then there appears to be a light around the outside. So this is going to be both front lit and backlit. So there's this ribbon of LED lighting here, I believe, that will work out. And it's also going to have the front lit as well as the controls that are here. So right now there's a plastic over this. In terms of mounting it on the wall, it comes with these two steel mounts. So we're going to go ahead and attach these to the wall, and then they basically just go underneath it this way, or you can do it long ways. I do like these mounts because you don't have to be as precise. So if you can find a stud or something, you can have them here or here or here, and you can slide the mirror. So we'll get this started, and then we'll be right on back. We're going to use two different types of mounting ways to do it. First, we're going to do into a stud, and then we're also going to do it with these slide anchors. So we've screwed in one, and then we've marked and leveled where we want to put our other anchor. So you're just going to screw it with a 1/4-inch drill bit. You're going to take their supplied anchor, push it on in there, and then we should be able to turn this up. We've already leveled it out with a level, so you want to make sure that you're level and that the distance is proper for what you're trying to do, as well as the height for how high you want the mirror. Our mirror here is going to be pretty low. So like I said, this is for a child's room, and it's going to be sort of a vanity full body mirror. But it's going to be really, really fun, and we're excited to do it. So let me just put in the Phillips head screwdriver. We're just going to attach it with the mounting hardware. I would say that worked, but I would probably do a little less than a 1/4-inch hole next time, maybe 15/16 or something. But sorry, 15/32, but I do a little smaller hole there. But that's good. So in this one, we're going to try to get it into a stud. We've gotten one anchor already. We have a magnetic stud finder. I'll link in the description, but this is really neat because it finds the screws that are holding drywall on, so it's pretty accurate. We're right on the edge of a stud here. So I think I can drive this in, maybe a little bit at an angle. We're going to go ahead and... There we go. So we've gotten these all mounted and level, and now we're ready to slide the mirror on. We're also going to cover these plates. These plates used to be an old telephone jack. We're going to have a video on how to cover them up with these nicer clear-in plates. We'll link that at the end. We're going to cover this. So as I said, this mirror appears to be a really, really good quality. However, I will say, in a little critique, I think the mounting hardware could be a tad bit better. So you may want to use a little stronger anchor. The ones that they gave us in the screws, they're okay, but not my favorite. However, this seems to be just great. So we're just going to go ahead and hang that very neatly onto the bracket. And you see, we're pretty low, like I said, but that is because it's going to be for a child. So let me go ahead and get this plugged in, and then also get the plastic off and everything else, and then we'll test the features. Okay, we got the mirror all hung and plugged in. Like I said, those brackets were really strong after we got some good screws in them, but this thing is very impressive. Now we put a different mirror into our bathroom, and we showed you how to hook that in to the vanity light. This could be done the same way, however, this one just came with the power cord that we're just running to a plug. So this is super simple and easy way to do it in, let's say, a vanity area or in a bathroom if you have a plug, or you can hardwire it in that other way. We'll show you how to do that if you look in the description. In terms of the mirror itself, I would say the quality of this mirror is possibly better than the quality of the other one that we did in the bathroom from a different company. It really seems to be well built. We'll see how it lasts, but it's got some neat features. So when it's got power running to it all the time, if there's no power, these would be dim, but now that it's got power, these are lit up a little, and then you press, there's 3 different buttons. So you have a power button, which lights it up. Really neat, you've got that backlit button, light that goes around, as well as the front lighting. Then you have 3 different color tones. So you have warm light, the cool, or different cool, and you can adjust the brightness on them by holding that button or going through them. And then also there's a dehumidifier or a anti-fogging heating element on here. If you hit that one, if you were to have it in a bathroom, it would go ahead and keep that from fogging up so you got a shower and you can see yourself. Overall, really impressed, super neat. Thanks for our friends at BokiHuk for sending us over here. And I'm gonna go ahead and let the girls come in, check it out, and see what they think. So let's call them in. Piper, Summer, come here. Come check out your new mirror. Wow, you're all dressed up. Check it out. Now press that button up there. Whoa, is that cool? You like that for your makeup station? Let me see, sit down. And then we can change the color. Oh, which one do you like? Is that cool? High five. Yeah, awesome. High five. Okay, thanks for tuning in, Mr. Gray's How To. Be sure to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe for more great home how-to videos. This is a pretty easy project, and remember, with all these videos, if I can do it,
you can too.
You can too. Thanks for watching.